There was a huge faction of the musical sphere that I had no understanding of. So I picked up the memory. You have to have a theoretical understanding of music. Music is very abstract. You know, you have to learn how to compose, how to arrange. You have to be emotionally invested. Yeah. You need to evoke emotions into music to compose and arrange. You have to develop, I said initially,
consciousness, computer technology, like just all over the place. And so what is it that you'd like to speak to us about tonight?
To discuss light and the electromagnetic spectrum. I would much rather discuss quantum electrodynamic, the relationship between photons and electrons. When you study quantum electrodynamics, the relationship between electrons and photons, what you see is something extraordinary. You see a lot of sociology. You see a lot of sociology. Energy, subatomic particles cancel each other out, and it's based on energy level.